My brother's 2009 Street Glide. I'm gonna do him a favor and I'm gonna go ahead and shine up these forks for him. They're in rough shape, as you can see here. I don't know how good I can get these. I'm not looking to spend hours and hours on them. But let's see if we can at least clean them up a little bit and make them shine. First thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get some sandpaper and we're gonna hit this up with some sandpaper, get all this corrosion, or most of this corrosion out of here. I'm gonna start this with a 120 grit, lightly, quick sand that. All right, wipe it down, get that shit off of there. Now I'm gonna transfer over to the 320. Again, wet sanding it. What's funny about this is the only real damage on these is the front of the fork. It's probably where it gets the brunt of the weather. The backside does not look bad at all. Doesn't need any sanding. All right, so now we're at 320 grit. It's looking much better already. Then you would go with like 600, work your way up to 800 and then 1,000. And once you're done with all the sandpaper, I take the steel wool. I just go over this real quick, just to smooth it out. It's almost like a 2,000 grit sandpaper. It's just easier to do it with the steel wool. All right. I think that's gonna do it. So that fork looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm not gonna videotape it, you don't need to see it. It's just gonna be the same exact process. Then we'll come back and we'll start doing the polish. As you can see here, this side's already been sanded, smooth, and ready for the polish. Okay, what I'm gonna use to polish the aluminum is this stuff right here that I really, really like. It's a great job. It's called White Diamond Metal Polish with long-lasting sealant. I'll put a link to this stuff down below. And I'm going to be using my drill with my Meguiar's comb. I think it's Meguiar's that makes this brand. Anyway, I'll put a link to that too down and below in the description. In case you guys, want to take a look at more information on these products. Or purchase them. So now all I'm going to do is pretty simple. Careful, because this stuff comes out like, it's very liquidy, so it comes out pretty fast. I'm just going to drop a bunch of it right on the fork. All right, just to make myself clear here, I'm not trying to get this fork to look like chrome. That is not the mission here. The mission here is to clean it up, get rid of the pits, and make it look like aluminum again. I'm not gonna spend, hours on end trying to get this thing to shine like chrome. I mean, I could, but I'm not doing that. And as it is, it looks really nice, just like that. So there you go. All the pits are out. It kind of shines a little bit now that the aluminum's polished up. It looks a lot better than what it did. So I'm sure he's going to be happy with that. I mean, to be honest with you, as it is, this is about an hour's worth of work right here. I know you're only seeing 10 minutes worth of it because, we cut the video short. But it takes quite some time just to get it to this point. And I'm very satisfied with that, actually. That looks better than I thought it was going to be. 100% improvement. 100%. Okay? And like I said, my mission here is not to get it to look like chrome. It was just to clean up the aluminum. And I think I accomplished that within an hour. And here's the other side, the right side. And there you go, it looks good. I also went ahead and hand polished the fender. It's got a nice, clean look to it now. Had a lot of stuff stuck on there, road dirt and stuff. Not bad at all. Kid's lucky he's got a brother like me. this video. Like I said, quick down and dirty. I started with 120, very light sanding to get the major corrosion off. Went to 320, 400. Then I usually go up to 600, 800. Sometimes 800 is good enough to go right to the steel wool. If not, go to 1000. And then either 2000 grit sandpaper or steel wool. And then you'll be ready to polish it. Depending on how much sanding you want to do, will depend on how shiny they're going to look. And they look really nice, better than I thought they were going to look. And it took me about an hour to do. As usual, thank you for being here with me today. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. Support the channel by sharing, liking the videos. And I'm going to get going. It's been a long day. You all take care. I wish you all the best out there. Leave comments below if you like. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.